Hi YouTube, we're going to do this song by Claud. It's called Gold. It goes like this. I know it's a problem. I like falling into your arms. And I know there's a reason why I always put up my guard. You like drinking and then taking things apart. But can't you see we're different people? I don't want to make this hard. That's the verse. It goes like this. A minor 7, G, C. See, we're on the way to C. And then we go on our way to G, we go D minor, C, G. So again, we start E minor 7, G, C. Then we go D minor, D minor. Can't you see? C is the chord. G. And then that repeats. It repeats until we get to the chorus. Oh no, the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus goes like this, and the chorus is very similar to this. But don't say you were there when you were, 'cause I don't think you were there when you heard. And I don't know if I want to come back, and don't know if I ever go back. Right, that's the pre-chorus. It goes F, G, A minor 7, E minor 7. And then it goes F, G, A minor 7, C major 7. We're just taking our index finger off the fretboard. And then it repeats F, G, A minor 7, E minor 7, F, F, G, A minor 7, C major 7. All right. Now, then we go to the chorus, which is a little shorter. All right, the chorus goes very similar to the pre-chorus. You're so cold, like ice on snow. It gets old, it's like rust on gold. Okay, so that is begins. You're so cold, A7, E minor 7, C major 7. And then the second time around it goes F, F, G, E minor, A minor. So it's a different ending for the rust on gold. It's E minor, A minor. And then it just repeats, goes into the verse again. Can't you see we're different people? I don't want to make this hard. Alright, so that is Gold by Claud. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. It helps me with YouTube. Bye.